I am at the Rachel Stabler residence to do a repair attempt video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this wind damaged shingle right here without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm going to start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Okay, now I'm going to make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Okay, now I'm going to take this roofing snake and I'm going to remove the wind damaged shingle from the decking. Okay, single layer. Now I'm going to put it right back in where it was and I'm going to fasten it to the decking. I'm going to do so using my roofing snake. I use the roofing snake so I don't have to lift this shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. Okay, shingle's back in. So, in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. You can see I got chipped edge here for my roofing snake, a chipped edge here for my roofing snake. We got a slight rip here because these shingles were pretty laminated and I had to break the adhesive. But we also have delaminated teeth here, 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 here. The reason why that's an issue in repairability is now this shingle will eventually come apart into two pieces, deeming this roof irreparable.